angels. So I just did a thrift with me and I had you guys go thrifting with me. We did a thrift haul. Now this is kind of like a part 2 almost. You don't have to watch me thrift, but like it's basically right after I filmed that. I'm filming this. Now we're going to be styling the pieces I thrifted.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
Basing off of what I'm seeing in front of me, I do want to try styling this cardigan. And I want to style it with the sequin belt. So now one thing I mentioned in the thrift with me portion of the video is I got a lot of skirts during this haul that I want to upcycle and turn into mini skirts. So I probably won't be styling those because I need to upcycle them. But we got jeans, we got capris, so we have these Miss 60 jeans. So we might style this. I'm gonna look around. For now, what I know is I want to wear this pink bag with the green shirt with the sequin belt. I feel like it might be cute if we style a dress over jeans and then we put the green cardigan on top. I just don't know how they'll layer on top of each other, so we're gonna test that out. To be honest, this isn't terrible. It's just a black shirt underneath. It's a little bit plain. I think if it was any other color, it'd be a little fun. The sequins is peeking out, and I think it's just, it does look random. So I think it's better we just cover it, unfortunately. I mean, I wish if the sequins was like throughout the top, maybe that worked better. Yeah, I mean, the tank top I was just wearing, I was thinking about how that would look so cute with this. But I'm trying to strictly style the pieces I thrifted. But that purple tank top will look cute because you would get the purple, the like contrast, but then also the lace up here. So this is the outfit, I guess. These jeans have like a cool little zipper detail at the bottom that I didn't mention in the previous thrift haul. And they fit pretty well. Okay. Solid. Let's see, what do we think of this outfit? I mean, it's not the worst. I think if we change the shirt, like this black shirt, I think it could be a 9 out of 10, to be honest. But because it's not, I'd say maybe like a 7.5. 7.7? What do you guys think? I'm looking around at what we have, and I feel like we should do kind of an office outfit. Maybe we could try using this blazer. I don't know. What pants would I wear with that? I feel like the most business ones are these beige ones, but I don't really like the beige with the gray together. We do also have this office top, which might be a little baggy on me. So we'll have to see. Oh my god, do I do an office outfit next? Or do I do like a fun one that I like and then an office one? I think we're going to do that. Kind of want to do this tank top with the beads. And I want to style that with the green cargos and see how that looks. My mic might have died, but I'm sick of it anyways. So I'm just going to try to project my voice a little more. Either way, when I'm holding the mic and showing you guys the outfits, it just feels like a hindrance. It feels like it's taking away, like I'm too aware of it. And if you guys are gonna be like, well, clip it. No, if I clip it here, you can't hear anything. The mic is terrible. I need to have it right here. If it's there, you won't hear me. Anyway, here's the base of the outfit. That's how the pants look like as a whole. They're so cute. I'm so happy that so far everything fits. Now, what could I do with this? I mean, we could do a little polka dot scarf around the neck. Or not. I don't know about that. Something about that doesn't feel right. I think this scarf would be really cute as a belt, but not for this outfit. This one might stay a little more simple. We might leave it at this, to be honest, because a scarf just, I feel like, wouldn't work because there's so much going on right here with the beadings. Then a scarf, it would put so much attention here. And the rest is very plain, you know? The shirt's just flowing black and then it's just cargo pants. So I don't really have a vision of what we could do with this. Except for hold a bag. Ooh, this would be so cute tied onto the bag though. Let's try that out. Is that cute? For the bag. We'll see. Oh, maybe. Is it weird to wear a blazer with cargos? Probably. I feel like this blazer could look good with the top though. Okay, looks like the blazer fits, so that's good. Oh my god, this looks so professional. This is a little scary. Hello, how may I assist you today? Oh lord. Okay. This would be so cute with a mini skirt though, you know? But we can't wear mini skirts at the office. The blazer's not gonna be with this outfit because of the cargos, but I think we're gonna leave this outfit as is and we're gonna move on to the next. Let me just see how this cardigan looks with this outfit. Now the only thing is the top is black and the cardigan's black, and it's just like they're a little too, they're like blending in. But a moment for the back. Like I feel like this cardigan works with the cargos. It's just that I would have to change the shirt out for something that's I would go for like a fitted shirt that has a color that's contrasting to this cardigan. You know, we'll leave it at no cardigan. And now we're gonna do the next outfit, which let me show you my vision for the next outfit because I have an idea. What I'm thinking is the little kissy top, the capris, and the pink glitter scarf. Let's try it on. The capris fit so well. Oh my god. Why is everything fitting me? What is this? I swear I had like, the guy who gave me the coupons, like he was an angel, and then it just feels like so many synchronizations happened today. The pinks don't match, but don't you worry, because if you add one more pink that doesn't match, then it doesn't matter. Okay, this scarf is looking a little too long. To be honest though, I look cuter with this. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Pink glitter scarf or this? I gotta sit with this for a second. I think I like this. I looked at the mirror over there and I like it. I like it. So let's see if we could do like a belt kind of situation. Is that cute? Or like, let's hide the, is that cute? Maybe not, I don't know. What I'm trying to play around with is if the polka dot looks better as a scarf belt, and if this one looks good around the neck. But something about this I'm not enjoying. And I think it's because there's so many pinks happening all in the same place. I think we do have to break it down a little. I could do the white sequin belt right here. It doesn't have to be this pink one. By the way, none of these scarves are going in my hair. I just thrifted these and they're unwashed. I think this is the outfit. I think I rate this 7.5 also. Maybe a little bit lower though. I think I would prefer this outfit if, no, I don't know what it is. I feel like I would change it up if I had more time to sit with it, but we gotta get it going. So let's see what we're gonna do next. I feel like we should try one of the dresses. Maybe we do this one. Stop it right now. I don't think you guys understand how shocked I am. Oh my god. The thing is, when you have like small boobs and then you see the straps, they're not adjustable. So, and they look really long, so I was like, oh my god, it's gonna sit so low, it might be a little baggy. I'm so surprised to see it's fitted. Like there's no gap right here. It's not going super long, like super low. Oh my god. I still am wearing the capris right now. I was just trying it on. I was just like so shocked that it fits, so I just had to talk to you guys about it. Yay! I'm so happy the dress fits. Okay, let's continue styling. I'm thinking we need a little tiny scarf. If I bought a hat today, I love the combination of a cute summer dress, a little scarf, and a hat. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm making the rules. I could just wear a hat that is mine. But I really just want to follow the styling solely the thrifted pieces because I feel like I'm doing it and I'm doing it pretty well. So let's keep going. The thing is, none of these scarves are perfect for this dress, and I have one I feel like would go so well with it. It's like silvery and it's got like stitched in beads and sequins, and it would be so cute with this dress. Yeah, this scarf does not work. But then none of these work. They have like the wrong undertones. Like that previous one, that's absolutely not. This one, it's like, but it's like no. And then out of the ones I got, I think this would be our best bet. But I don't know. Oh my god, I forgot we got one more scarf. I forgot we got this one. I got too excited about the fact that I forgot that. I got the scarf that I wasn't even thinking about, like, yeah, no, this is not really gonna work either. Unless we added the pink bag. Just kidding, no. Okay, should we go more simple with this dress? And call this an outfit? Oh, it would look cute if I put the green cardigan over this, maybe. Let's try that. Because I was talking about wearing this over dress earlier. But then the reason I didn't go through with that is I was thinking the dresses would be a bit too bulky and the fabric here's a little thin. But this part of the dress is pretty thin, so I think, is this working? I mean, it's okay, but like I wouldn't wear this. I like how the dress looks without the cardigan. I mean, the cardigan could also be layered under the dress. But you know what? Forget it. We're calling this the outfit. Now, for the next one. I'm not rating this outfit. It doesn't feel like an outfit because I just put a dress on and nothing else. Oh my god. That like hurts me, but like, sorry. Like, what am I gonna do? Wait a minute. I forgot we have some jackets. Let's try the blazer again. Oh, does this work? Maybe. Oh, I don't know about with the button though. Oh, not with the button. I mean, I don't think so. So yeah, that was not happening. That blazer with the dress? No. What about this? Can this work? No. No. As for the shirt though, like as a standalone situation, like if I'm just looking at the shirt, could I make it cute for the office? I would add a bunch of necklaces, like long ones with a bunch of beads, and when I'd be walking in the office, everyone would hear me and everything, but okay. Maybe I could pull off the shirt. I think it would be cute if I could add like a belt right here. Like a thick one to kind of break what's happening here and make it a little more interesting. We're not gonna style around this dress. I kind of styled the pieces that I loved the most. I mean, the skirts, I still have to upcycle them into mini skirts. I haven't tried this pair of jeans yet, so let me think. Maybe we could do dress over jean and see how that looks. I mean, I'm saying I already saw my favorite pieces, but I mean, there's more pieces I really love. I just don't know if they'll fit me. Like, we have this candy couture dress, so I'll try this one at the end, and I think I'll try this old one too. So we're gonna try this dress for now in the jeans. So the jeans were too small. Like, the ankle was not going over my ankle. I gave up then and there. It's cute. I like this. To be honest, the Body Central one was a bit longer than I wanted. Like the one right before this. This one is a bit of a better length. I like for my dresses and skirts to go above my fingertips. So the opposite of what they told us in school. I don't know. You know what? I think the styling is done. I think I styled the outfits I want to style now. I'm just trying to see what is fitting me and what's not fitting me. So we're gonna try these two dresses. Oh my god, guys, what if I put a sequin belt right there? It literally looks like it's part of the dress. I'm gonna cry, it's so beautiful. I'm trying to get the clasp on it back. Okay. Oh, okay, and we got it off. Again, like a little scarf and hat looks so cute, but I don't think any of these scarves really work with this outfit. Whatever. Like I said, we're not doing the styling outfit thing anymore. I'm tired. Let me just, we need a sip of this tea. Guys, I'm so shocked. she fits. It's a little loose right here, but it's fine because it makes sense for it to sag down a little there. She's slightly long, but I can wear platforms. I will be wearing platforms with this dress anyways. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. If anyone wants to know the brand, it's Candy Couture. I also mentioned it in the thrift with me portion, but in case you're exclusively watching this video and you want to know. Now, we have one more dress to try. Yeah, I'm not trying on everything, to be honest. I just wanted to try a few things at the end on top of the outfits. So, guys, this dress. Now, imagine this dress on someone with big boobs. Oh my god, this would be so perfect. I mean, this works on the flat chested as well. I think this looks real cute. I'm surprised it fits. Guys, I was gonna not buy this dress. I was gonna not buy it. I mean, the dresses were also priced a bit higher. I was a little bit annoyed, so I was gonna narrow down and put stuff back. I'm so happy I didn't. I'm so happy I just trusted the process and I just went with it. Honestly, I had so many angels watching over me today, for sure. This was a blessed thrift haul. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I need to go to the club in this, especially just not in Canada. I think like a club anywhere but Canada. I am so happy about the dresses. They're all fitting. The only thing that hasn't fit so far is the jeans, the one pair, and I'm fine with that because everything else is just so goddamn cute. I was playing around, I was trying stuff on, and I think I'm starting to make the business attire work. The blazer, I'm still a little bit uncomfortable seeing myself wearing it, but I think if I styled it and whatever, maybe it could work. I wouldn't do this hairstyle, I just was warm, so I put it up. And then don't look at the fucking pants right now. But I think like this top, little skirt is cute. I don't know, I think like any other belt here would also work. I just threw on the sequin one. I think we're gonna end the video here. So let me know what your guys' favorite outfit was. Also, what you think of the little dresses I tried on at the end. And also let me know how you would have styled any of these pieces in the video. I'd love to know. But yeah, thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah!